Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on circumference of a circle. In an earlier video, we saw how to find the perimeter of a 2D shape. We can also find the perimeter of a circle. The special name given to the perimeter of a circle is the circumference. The formula for calculating the circumference of a circle is given by C equals 2 pi r, where C represents the circumference, pi equals 3.14 or 22 over 7, and r equals the radius. I'll say more about these two values in a moment. Note. The first note is the diameter of a circle is twice as long as the radius, so we can write d equals 2r. Diameter equals twice times the radius, or 2 times the radius. The second note, there is no exact value for pi. The two given numbers are good approximations, so when we want to work out the circumference of a circle, these are approximations and they're good enough. Example 1. Find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. Use pi equals 3.14. So here's our circle, and there's the radius of 5 centimeters. Using the formula, we have C equals 2 times pi times r, which is 2 times 3.14 times 5, because that's the value we're given for pi. When we multiply those together, we get 31.4 centimeters. Now notice the units are centimeters because we're looking at length. We're not looking at area. Example 2. Find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 7 centimeters. There it is there. Use pi equals 22 over 7. So the circumference is 2 over 1 times 22 over 7 times 7 over 1. So that's 2 pi r. 2 times 22 times 7 gives us 308. Very straightforward. 308. 1 times 7 times 1 is 7. 308 divided by 7 gives us 44 centimeters. So the circumference of this circle is 44 centimeters. Example 3. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 16 centimeters. Note, we have been given the diameter here, not the radius. But we saw earlier that the diameter is twice the radius, so when we use the formula, we make sure that we use r, which is half of 16. 2 times pi times r, so r is 8. So there's the formula for the circumference, 2 times 3.14 times 8. When we work that out, we get 50.24 centimeters. So this video has introduced us to the formula which helps us find the perimeter of a circle. We note that the diameter of a circle is twice the radius, and the values we've given for pi are good approximations.